Like everyone, due to the lot of demand on Italy scholarship, so today I choose a content based on University Degli di Study Messina, Italy University. So today I will choose this university for bachelor's and master students and for single degree students. So in this video I will guide you that how you can apply in this university, and how you can choose your programs, and how you can make up your account, and how you can send your scholarship application. So let's move toward the main point today. University Degree Study Messina. This is the main website of the university, and where you have to find all of the information which is related to application and admission. So I will attach all of the website links in the description section. You can easily just click on it, and find your way. You can see here there's a browser section. You can find international students, English language requirement, a visa, how to enroll, and all of the information you can find here. And a bachelor, single cycle, and master degree program, you can click it here and find your program. I will show you later about the programs. So one more important things I want to show you, students can submit their application for evaluation for English Start programs on the Unimi application portal. So there's a two way. Those who are the local students, they will choose the Italian taught programs, and for international they will choose English language programs. So if you are international students, you have to choose the first part, Unimi application portal, and I will show you that how you can make an account on it. Students are allowed to submit two evaluation application for two different degree programs. The University of Messina in Italy now offering a very good point here. They mentioned that you can send two programs application in one on your one portal. So you can apply it to different degree to different programs. So it depends on you that what you will do when you apply for a program. Okay, now let's talk about the programs here. So you can find here the bachelor degree and single degree program. Single degree program basically a combined degree of master and bachelor degree. If you click on a bachelor and single degree programs, they will open up a page where you will find your programs which relate to a bachelor degree. Here you can search your program here, archaeological, but biotechnology, chemica. Basically this is Italian language. You can simply right click and translate to English, and they will convert the language from Italian to English language. Chemistry, pharmaceutical, new technology, labor discipline of arts and music and entertainment. So those students who are related to arts studies, they can also apply in this scholarship. So they have 5 pages. You can find your programs here. So same as for a master students, you can click it here and find your program. Let's move toward the other part of the scholarship now. Okay, so now we talk about the scholarship, that how much scholarship you will get in this scholarship. Basically, in this scholarship, you have to apply in the university, and then you have to apply for ERSU scholarship. And ERSU scholarship will give you a tuition fee waiver, cash stipend based on income, free or discounted meal, and free or subsidized housing. How much stipend you will get every year? So 5,000 or more, or it should be a 6,600 556 pounds you will get per year, so which is I think 800 to 1,000 pounds per month you will receive from the university. On other basis, you will get a free accommodation, free meal. Also they will give you a free meal or subsidized meal, and your total of your degree is based on tuition fee waiver. So these are the beneficial financial benefit you will get from the ERSU scholarship. So now we will move that how you can make an account on Unimi application. Simply you can, if you saw on top of the university ribbon, there's apply now. Just click on it and you will get this page. If you don't have an account, simple, you have to click on register. You have to provide your email ID, password, your passport number, and then login. After that, they will give up you a verification link in your email, and you can verify your email ID and then log in here. Okay, this application, this one is basically for how you can submit your application, and for if you want to apply for a scholarship later, I will show you This is a, you can see the ERSU is a IRSU, and for the application call for IRSU scholarship are basically, they said that is an online, and you can click it here. And after clicking on it, you will find these points here, like a student portal, a regulation, extraordinary subsidies, and student form and ranking. A lot of information you will find here. And if you want to submit your application on it, so I will guide you a later, before we will fill up our application on University of Messina main portal where you will apply. You can see that, just choose your program and click in, because I already choose it, and click on continue. Okay, the first part is your information. Do you need a visa? You have to choose yes, and nationality is a Pakistan. A country of residence is, you can choose, because I am living in Taiwan, so I will choose that one here. And what type of program you wanna apply? I will choose a bachelor, or you wanna choose a master degree, or a single cycle. I already told you that for a single cycle, your degree will be combined like a bachelor and master. And then I have to choose my bachelor program. Who can apply in a bachelor? Business management, all or who related to BBA degrees can apply. Civil engineering, data analysis, marine biology, and blue biotechnology. All students who belongs to biology field can apply in this. And political science, economic and international relations, transition, and European legal studies. So I will choose a blue biotechnology, and intake you have to choose this one. After that, you can see that there is a personal information, personal details. In a personal detail, please complete your personal detail. Your responses will be kept private, secure. First name and surname should be identical to ones reported in your passport. So here you have to provide your surname, your first name, and your date of birth here. And then you have to upload your photo. You have to select your gender, city of birth, and you have to choose your country of birth, and your passport number. Your passport number is very important, because you need your passport number during your portal login makeup. If you don't have a passport, then you cannot make a portal there. And you have to provide your contact detail about your street number, your address line 3, your city postcode, and you have to provide your phone number. Here you can choose, you can find your country here, and then write your phone number, and then you can click save and next. After that, you can see that third part is a language. So in Italy, the this is a very beautiful thing when you are applying for Italy, that you don't need IELTS, SAT, HAT, TOEFL. You nothing needed. But if you have it, it's your plus point. You can choose your English level. You can say that international baccalaureate diploma is totally entirely in English, so here you can mention that one. If you have any language certificate, on that basis you can choose B1, B2, C1, C2, or native. Those who belongs to European countries, EE countries, they can choose their native speakers. Okay, here you have to write the name of your diploma, institute name. You can write your college name, your university name here. And international, here you have to apply your diploma, upload your last degree where you received from your institute, and then you can save it. After that, experience and education and experience, this is one is very important part. Any mistake here can your application can be negligible or denied. And one more important thing I want to show you on their home page, on their application, is that they mention one thing that uh, here, once the application has been submitted, no additional documents can be uploaded. Incomplete application do not meet the entry requirement will be rejected. So you have to understand these kind of things here. Okay, and further, the if you need other kind of information, they have first call. You can find any information here. The last date is 22 December. Visa application you can apply until 31st March, and yeah, this kind of information. Medicine and surgery, I made like that in the start program. Or if you want a requirement that what kind of documents you need in your bachelor degree, you can click it here and find it. And for a single cycle, you can click it here. And for a master degree, you can click it here. You will receive or get all of the information belongs to your your degree. And if you are international student, you have to choose Unimi application portal. If you are Italian, you have to choose a portal Unimi di candidati. After that, here let's move back to the application makeup. Okay, here you have to provide information about your high school, your transcript, your high school grade and CGPA, your country of high school diploma, year of school. Because I choose a bachelor degree, so therefore they are asking me if you are going to apply for master, they will ask you for a bachelor degrees. In university entry test, yes or no. Other qualification, yes or no. You can click it that here, and after that you have to pay a application fee. So you have to write your name, first name, second name, address line, your postcode, city, country, and email address, and application fee is 30 euro. You have to pay it now. You can pay it by a visa card or other thing. If you get 30 euro is not a maximum, is not a big amount if you have a future plan to move to Italy, because it's residing in Europe. If you in Europe, you have a lot of opportunities there in the future, so you have to do a little bit investment here. Okay, after that you have to click on submit, and declaration is yes, and I have read the privacy here, and you can submit your application. If you are selected, you will get the admission notice. On base of that admission notice, you can, if you don't have admission notice, still you can apply for the IRSU scholarship. I told you in the beginning. Okay, this one is a IRSU scholarship, and in IRSU scholarship they will provide you a lot of benefits. Like I already told you, they'll give you around about 6,656 euro pounds, your total fee waiver, and they will give you a subsidized accommodation, and they will give you a subsidized food. It's almost they are free. So you have to click it here, and after that you will get this point: scholarship, student portal, regulation, extraordinary subsidies, and student form. So now you have to apply. uh, just click on student portal. Further, if you need any kind of information about the about IRSU and the other thing, you can check that. The announcement of competition for the academic year, uh, uh, addendum for the competition announcement, and for a call for application, list of affiliated caps, and scholarship and housing application. You can, for example, we click on scholarship and housing application, they will open this page. Okay, so now the other thing is that if you are international students, you have to choose this one: international students whose possesses only an identity account issued by their country. Identity account is a passport number, so passport number is very important here. And a not resident in Italy can access the reserved area. So if you, because we choose it's a scholarship for only international students from all over the world can apply here. So for this issue scholarship, you need a one more document. This document should be based on your annual or gross income. You can get this certificate from your district office, from your union council in your country. So in Asia, basically we have district office and union council. In other countries, I don't know that where you can get such kind of document. You can get that document where you apply your country identity card. So they will provide you the income certificate, or simply you can get certified by the authority, or you can submit to the university issue for issue of Messina. Okay, for register here, you have to click it register, because if I make another video on register and fill up the application, the video will be too long. So I will provide you a link of all of the website, so you can simply get and apply on it. Or further, if you have any question, you can ask in a comment section, or in after 1 2 or 3 days I will try to make a separate video on issue of Messina application, so then you can apply it. So I think I cover all of the things here. I repeat once again, so this is the main page, and this is the application portal. You will get all of the information about your requirement, your English requirement, your programs. I showed you that how you can find your programs, and after that how you can make your account and submit your application. After get sending your application, then you have to apply for a scholarship is a IRSU scholarship. And for IRSU scholarship, you have to find this one and go to a student portal. And on a student portal, after clicking on student portal, you will get these three, like adult students, international students, and minors. Minors has a restricted area using the credential issued by the institution registered upon the first assess. This one is not, doesn't belong to you. For international, you have to choose this and make a account here and submit your application and wait for the result. So these are very good opportunities for bachelor and master and single cycle degree programs. If you miss such kind of opportunity, you cannot get a scholarship. So almost all over the world, every university now have a application fee. If you think that you need a save from application fee, those university maybe have very low ranking or low institute, then that such kind of degrees are not have such kind of benefit in the future. So if you can a little bit investment here, so it's not a big deal for international students to get a school after paying a $30, and you are getting every month a $1,000. You cannot compare this difference. It's a 1,000 time 100 time more than you are paying. They will give you a residence, subsidized meal, your fee is waived, and you are in a Europe. So share this video in your circle with your friend and support me, guys. Ask any query in the comment section. So I will come up again with a new scholarship and new opportunity for you guys. Until that time, Allah Hafiz.